Good day everyone. Let's review the ultrasonic sensor. Here's the block diagram of instructions for programming the ultrasonic sensor. It's quite similar to the temperature sensor. So here the first thing we have to do is create a variable. After that we're going to give the instruction that it's going to be located here in the condition for the ultrasonic sensor. Here we can see three selection boxes. Okay, the first selection box allows us to select the terminal or the input where the signal of the sensor is going to be connected. Okay, here I have selected the analog input number 5, so I have to send the output or the signal of the sensor to the terminal number 5 of the analog input. Okay, the second selection box allows us to select what is the location of the disjoiner. Okay, remember there's going to be one element sending the ultrasonic and one element receiving the ultrasonic signal. So here we have that the sending of the echo ultrasonic signal is going to be the same as the disjoiner. And finally, the units of measuring for the signal. Okay, so now what other thing do we have to consider programming the ultrasonic sensor? Just that. Okay, changing the instruction for the element that we are using. It is, or as you can see here, it's the distance sensor instruction. Okay, the ultrasonic sensor. The rest of the program, it's just the same pattern that we have been using in the potentiometer and the temperature sensor. Okay, we are going to create comparison of values while using or modifying the value of the sensor. Okay, I'm going to make a little demonstration. So here we have the ultrasonic sensor. We're going to change the value of the measure by clicking on it and then just clicking this little circle. Keep it click and then starting to move it. Okay, we're going to send it back or forward, wherever we want. And then the unit that we programmed in the block diagram, it's going to be related to the value right here, depending on the units that we have selected in the instruction for the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, if we selected inches or if we selected centimeters. And we are going to be playing with this little indicator, selecting or varying the signal. Okay, and as you may have already consulted in the activity of yesterday's activity, we can see this is going to be negative, positive, and this is going to be your input for the analog inputs of the Arduino board.